Welcome to the INSEE Alphabet Letter U, bite-sized lettering tutorials for your busy life. Today we're going to talk about ribbon lettering. So that is lettering where it looks like you've taken a piece of ribbon and drawn that onto your page. So ribbon lettering actually has two different sides. One side, just like this little piece of paper I've chosen to be our ribbon, has one sort of color or texture, and then the other one has another color or texture. So if you were to create a U that would get stuck down to your page, where would the areas of pencil be? And then where would the areas of your other color be? And you can see that it's giving us three distinct areas. It also kind of looks like an N because it's not really curved, but ours will be curved. So we have this area here, and this area here that have the yellow showing, so one side of the ribbon, and then the opposite side of the ribbon is showing on our downstrokes. So we can start to create our U, and we're going to make it not quite as angular. Pick up your pencil and you're going to draw your cursive U after putting a mark somewhere on the page, so it doesn't have to be perfect. Draw that cursive U and that will be our starting point. Now, even though this one is much curvier than this guy, we can already start to visualize it. You can see that you're going to have this portion here and this portion here be one side of the ribbon. Let's put a little mark down those strokes to indicate that those are going to be consistent strokes. They're going to both be the front or one side of the ribbon. One important thing as you do your letter is to make sure, like many of the other letters that we've done, that it's wide enough so that you have lots of space to put in the embellishments or techniques that we're going to be adding. So if you feel like your U is a little bit too close here, just bump this second half out ever so slightly and give yourself a new downstroke and upstroke. Shift it over just a little bit. Next day, we are going to add our downstrokes in and start to create our ribbon effect. We're also going to be thickening up those upstrokes, and we'll talk about why.